I am here to tell you, you will use this book pitch for far more than talking to agents and publishers.
What should we watch out for? What resources are there to help us? How can we handle this?
I will be sharing about how I built a narrative medicine curriculum for our fellows and why building such a curriculum has been really essential to offer a space for diastole.
If you're looking to find your voice on the page, this is the workshop for you. You may have a writing project in mind, you may not, and you just are curious about getting creative.
We'll cover 7 strategies from telling it slant to magic realism and surrealism to meaning making and telling the story head on.
We're going to talk about all the key elements your story needs to ensure its best beginning.
We'll explore how to get started in book publishing and turn your passion and expertise into a compelling book proposal, how to pitch an editor, and what to expect from the publishing process.
You'll learn how to write a personal essay that readers want to read and editors want to publish by doing just that, centering your specific story in the larger cultural moment. You'll also leave my talk with a comprehensive list of venues that publish essays on health and illness, and tips to effectively pitch your essay.
We'll take a deep dive into the scientific basis of writing as a therapeutic tool, including its effects on stress reduction, processing and releasing heavy emotions, and fostering connection.
Whose story is it? Does it belong to us or the patient? Which part of it is ours? Which leads to confidentiality and disclosures. How do we navigate that?
I'm going to help you guys realize that you likely do have some portfolio materials, and I'm going to highlight some relatively straightforward ways for you to create some brand new materials for self-marketing purposes.
I'm going to describe the reasons why we have writer's block, and more importantly, share strategies that really work to help you push through and finish that passion project.
There's actually a blueprint for creating a tale that grabs the reader's attention on page 1 and doesn't disappoint all the way to the end.